Hello, today is New Year's Day, and we're supposed to be cleaning the house, but we ran out of paper towels, so I decided to make a bigger mess by baking. So I am going to be making butterscotch chip cookies, or oatmeal scotchies. We just make the recipe on the back of this pack, and it says to preheat the oven to 375. So the first step is to turn that on and preheat that to 190. There we go, 190. The first step is to weigh out about a cup of butter and then put that in the mixer. Alright, so I got about a cup and a half of flour in here, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, which is right here, half and one, and then a half a teaspoon of salt. We're running low on salt, so hopefully we have enough. Otherwise, we'll have to use some sea salt. Teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Perfect. So we have our dry mixture of the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So I have the 1 cup of butter in the mixer, and I'm gonna add the stuff and mix it in. So in here I have the cup of butter and 3/4 cup of brown sugar and white sugar, and then I'm going to add 2 eggs and some vanilla extract after I cream these together. Alright, this is pure satisfaction that the mixer is doing most of the work. That's amazing. I'm gonna pour the dry mixture in now, and then I'll add the oats later. Okay. And then the oats and last step is to add 3 cups of oats and the butterscotch chips, and then get some cookies in the oven. Not quite mixed all the way since the butter wasn't exactly softened earlier, but I'm just gonna go for it anyway. These are the best cookies ever. Are they? Oh, already smell so good. So I have a cookie sheet, and I usually take a tablespoon, and I pop them in here. So pop about a dozen on the cookie sheet and put it in the oven. What do you think of these cookies, Brian?
They're gonna make me fat.
Do you not want to be fat?
I don't want to be fat. I just want to eat cookies though. Alright. Are we ready to put them in?
Yep, so I have 12 little dollops of these butterscotch chip cookies. I'm going to put it in the oven for 8 minutes.
And
can you set the timer for 8 minutes?
Yes, I can.
Alright, I got the first batch of cookies out on the cooling rack, and I have the second batch ready to go in the oven for another 7 or 8 minutes. Alright, so I got all the cookies out of the oven and we've snitched a few. But these are cooling. I'm gonna put that out in the cooling rack and get some dishes done. And yeah, that's it. Oatmeal Scotchies, or butterscotch chip cookies, however you want to call them.